What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Welcome to the channel. I'm doing a little video today just of me meeting up with some friends out on the trails here and just bajaing around. Nothing too serious because I'm actually getting kind of far from home and I don't want to do anything that's going to kind of force me to get towed home or anything like that. But like I usually do, I just want to bring the cameras along, show you some of the scenery, show you some of the suspension, and just try and do what I can to bring you guys along on the off-road trail, show you guys what it's like off-roading through. I'm not in the mountains of Colorado here. I'm in the foothills of Colorado. I'm between 8,000 and 10,000 feet. These are the trails that I usually play around on. These are the trails that I've basically designed the Baja around. So I'm just going to bring you along, throw some different camera angles, see what we can get, and have some fun. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Well, I had a little breakdown. I'm going to show you what it is. It's nothing serious, but I'm going to show you what happened. I'm headed home, and I was just coming back down the trails that I'm most familiar with. Those are the trails that I'll get, let's call it, the most aggressive on. And I was hitting some pretty good downhills. I had the cameras going, so I was trying to show off and be cool. And I went over a jump, not a jump, I went over a mogul. So I went over a little hump, and when I landed, I heard, I mean, this thing's full of squeaks and rattles and whatnot, but you kind of get used to those noises. And I heard a noise that I hadn't heard before, and it was just chiming in whenever I would hit the bigger bumps. So I was listening to it, and I was still headed back, and I was wondering, is that something serious, or is that just nothing? So I went a little bit farther, and then I thought to myself, you know what, this is silly. I hear a noise that I haven't heard before. I should pull over and take a look at it. So I pulled over, and after some investigating, hopefully you can see this. Down here, my radiator fan housing is made out of plastic, and it has cracked most of the way off. So what I heard was the radiator fan kind of bouncing around and squeaking. So that's kind of a big deal. That's something that could have led to something much worse. I think the worst would have been is if it was bouncing up against the radiator and poked a hole in the radiator, which it didn't. And I've got 2 fans, so I can actually get home with just the 1 fan. I could try, I've got some tools. I always bring tools with me in the Bug, and I'm actually by myself now. The people I was riding with have headed home in another direction, so I'm actually on my own at this point. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to try and fix it. I'm not going to try and tape it up. I'm just going to leave it as is, and I'm just not going to be aggressive on the trails the rest of the way out of here. And it should be fine, because it's only making that squeaking noise when I'm hitting the bigger jumps. So I'm just going to take it leisure. If you're wondering why I'm squatting down here, it's because I'm hiding the camera behind the Bug so that you guys don't hear the wind noise. Usually when you get up higher like this, I'm at about 9,500 feet right now. It's really windy, and if the wind's blowing across the camera, it sounds terrible. That is going to wrap up this video, because I'm not going to film me driving slow through the trails, because that would be pretty boring. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed some of this. I hope I got some good footage. I haven't obviously been home yet, so I don't know what kind of footage I got. But hopefully I can put together a 5-10 minute video just showing some of what I did. And hope you guys enjoy it, and thanks for watching the video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Take care.